Let's talk about why your I-130 petition case may be terminated. Hello, my name is John and welcome. I know a lot of you guys don't know this, but your I-130 petition case can be terminated. Even if you pay the affidavit of support fees, you pay the immigrant visa fees, and all those stuff, USCIS or NVC still can terminate your I-130 petition case. Here are some of the reasons. The first reason is the death of the petitioner. If the petitioner died, for example, I don't wish that for anybody, but in case the petitioner died, NVC or USCIS cannot move forward with your case unless the beneficiary is qualified for humanitarian reinstatement. So in case of a spouse of the petitioner who died, that spouse can self-petition herself or himself, filing an I-360 if I'm not mistaken. Another reason is the withdrawal of the I-130 case by the petitioner. Sometimes things happen, the petitioner can decide to withdraw the case, and he or she will write to USCIS or NVC, depending on the location of the case, to withdraw that I-130 petition case. So if it's approved, well, the case will be terminated. USCIS or NVC will no longer process that case. Another reason is fraud or misrepresentation. So if you provide a fake document when you file your I-130 petition, or you provide false information on the I-130 form or affidavit of support form, USCIS or NVC notice that, they will terminate your case, your I-130 petition case, and you can no longer bring your relative to the United States of America with that I-130 petition case. This next reason can also be a main reason why your I-130 petition case is terminated. Before we talk about that, if your spouse or your parent are preparing their immigrant visa interview, well, we have some ebooks that can help them with their interview questions. The links are in the description below. Now let's go back to the video. Let's say USCIS or NVC send you RFE, which is a request for evidence, or NOID, which is a notice of intent to deny, and you don't respond back within the deadline. That can lead to your I-130 petition case termination. Another reason, let's say you file I-130 petition for your spouse or your husband, and then during the process, you guys decide to go separate ways. So you guys, file divorce. Well, the I-130 petition case will be terminated. Okay? Don't think that because your husband, your wife filed I-130 petition for you, it's already in the system. Therefore, even though you divorce, it won't impact the I-130 petition. No, it will impact the case. USCIS or NVC will terminate the I-130 petition case because you will no longer eligible. Next reason, let's say your petitioner lost his status here in the United States of America, legal status, like if he or she was a permanent resident or U.S. citizen and lost that status, you can no longer come to the United States of America through that I-130 petition because the petition will be invalid. That person is no longer a permanent resident or U.S. citizen. This next reason is something that happens most of the time when the case is in administrative processing, meaning that the beneficiary went to the visa interview and the consular officer asked for additional document. So when they send that additional document, the consular officer will review the whole case again. So during the review, they will send the case back to USCIS in case USCIS approved that case by mistake. So if they send it back to USCIS, USCIS review the case and notice that, okay, of course, they approved that case by mistake, the I-130 petition will be terminated. Thanks for watching.